Okay, guys, we've got storms moving in. The wind is picking up. Looks like it's coming all around us. We're going to be looking for lightning. So, yeah, we're ready for it. It's looking kind of weird over there. It's looking a little windy. It's cooled down about 20 degrees. Feels so good out here at the moment. You can see the clouds all darkening up. Looks like it's coming from that way over the store instead of towards town, down that way. So yeah, we're gonna see what it does, guys. I'll bring you back in as it fires up. All right. I do want to add real quick that they said this storm is packing up to 70 miles per hour winds. So we're gonna see what happens. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know that we got a bird here trying to figure out which way to fly because of the wind coming in. You can see the walnut trees already picking up and getting some wind action, especially this tree over here too. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, but I'll bring you back in. Okay, guys, we're still getting just pretty good sized strong winds. Seems like my screen door is taking a beating. Don't want to stay closed, but yeah, we're just taking up some wind at the moment. Over there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my screen door. I don't know why he wants to keep flopping open, slamming. Getting stronger now, a little bit. There's my music. I like my music for my video. You get to hear the wind chime. It's chiming. Yeah, we're just waiting to see what happens. Big sky's getting all dark in 1 minute. Doing just some wind blowing right now, but we'll see what it does. There's some thunder. I just heard some thunder. We may be on, guys. As the old saying is, fish on. Well, we're going to rain on. Hang on, guys. Let's see what's gonna go on here. I don't want to miss any of the thunder though. I'll have to shut up in a minute when it starts. When it gets to the end of town a little closer. Trees are giving it a whirl. I can hear branches snapping already on that one over there above that building. I would not want them trees that close to my house. But I don't have any trees. I ain't got to worry about that. May have a branch from a neighbor's tree come over or something, but myself, I don't have any trees, so I ain't got to worry about it. As long as we don't get no hail and beat out my windows or nothing like that, that should be in a good side, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna put you on hold for a moment until we figure out what's going on here. Here we got some cool looking clouds coming in. See how they're tapering like that? That's pretty neat. I like the clouds. I like to film the clouds. These over here is like more grayer and poofier. These over here is like blue and they hang down and dribble down. That's pretty cool. I was gonna go out to the yard a minute and see how it looks out through there. I know over through there it's got an opening. See that opening where the difference is above the house over there between the white and the day. I mean that light and the white and the blue. I'll get it out in a minute, or whatever color. But yeah, I mean, just checking the clouds out, waiting on the rain that's supposed to be coming. I'm sure it'll be here soon. They're calling for up to 2 inches, my neighbor told me. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Out through there, it's opening it up quite a bit now. But as you can see, not much happening here yet. I have seen it do this and play out and we don't get nothing, so just have to wait and see. Okay guys, the clouds have moved a little closer. See there as they've changed. These are darker ones now. But they've lightened up over that way more and they've moved around that way. It's going like around me at the moment. I did hear a big roar of thunder, but I will not lie, I did doze off for 2 seconds and that's what woke me up was the boom. So Yeah, this may be one of Tony's sleeping videos, so I catch a 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there, and it seems like it revised me for like 30. So, but yeah, the clouds are definitely changing right there. See the clouds difference, and I'm not using the new gimbal because in the wind it just don't want to work right. You got to have the internet, plus you got to be able to have your Bluetooth going at the same time, and if it's windy, it won't work. It just cuts it off. So it just comes on and goes beep 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 and right back off. So, and a very expensive stick just to hold your phone, basically is what it's been at the moment. So I got to use it one time so far, so if it don't start working, it will be going back. But yeah, it's looking pretty cool out here at the moment. Right? It's moving closer. There's some thunder. I'll hush and let you hear it. There was our first strike lightning, which looks like the lightning's going to come from that direction. So we will get what we can of it. And if the video goes on past 30, I'll probably end that one and start another one just to let you know. Look how them clouds are rolling and catching up together. Is that not cool? I mean, it has really gotten black right through there. It's right there getting that, like that. Does sound like some mean thunder coming. And remember, I have been struck many a times by thunder. Ooh, that was like good lightning. It's coming pretty quick, guys. We're going to move out here where we can see a little more of it for now. If it starts lightning too bad around us, we'll go in. We will not be stupid. It has darkened up enough where we can see it good, though. That's good. Especially them dark clouds. And if there becomes any rotation, we will definitely be going in. We will seek shelter now. Definitely. There was some lightning right there in that cloud right there. I felt a raindrop already. Another raindrop nailed me in the head. Starting to come a few raindrops. Big old drops. Really getting black that away. We may have to step on the porch in a minute. Oh, darn it. Sorry about that, guys. I was moving up on the porch. That bird still trying to fly. That black dot flying across there is a bird. There goes our bird again. There goes another one. They're still trying to figure out how to go fly to get out of the storm. It's supposed to be coming. It's really blacked that away. We may go around to the front door and see what we can see out the front. So hang on, guys. Just in them few seconds, we now developed a big raindrops. Seems like they're going to come and die off. There it is, coming down in sheets. Hang on a minute, guys. We're gonna have to do it from the the storm door. Gotta block it. It is getting wet. Whew, that was cold. That's some cold rain. And it is coming down pretty good, as you can see. You can see it tapering across the ground. Pretty quick. I'm just using the screen door to kind of block the rain from the camera. There's the sun trying to peek through. It's pouring the rain. It looks cool with the sun trying to peek through up there. Hope we're getting it past my screen door. I don't want to get the camera out too far. Get it too wet. It keeps shifting on me on the rain, so I have to keep backing up. That's trying to force me into the house. If it rains like this for a few hours, you definitely get some rain. Sounds like it has moved that away, and we're kind of getting the back of it. Sometimes we get that away. Now the sun is completely gone, guys. The clouds just took it over. I don't know how this storm's even moving, because it's kind of like swirling around. Now the rain's coming straight down. All right, we'll hang on and see if anything else comes about. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end this one until it gets a little closer maybe, because we're just here in the back of this first little front coming through. I reckon more's on its way, so we'll end this one and come back in when it gets a little meaner sounding. I appreciate you watching, and peace. I'm out of this one.